everybody, my English class. I miss you guys. What I want to do today is give you a little update on what's going on, kind of recap last week and jump into what you have to look forward to this week and in coming weeks. This week you're looking at a complete different work. You're going to be looking at the work of Jane Goodall. Jane Goodall is very well known, and usually when you hear that name you automatically think about, guess what? Monkeys. That's usually what you think about when you hear the word Jane Goodall, the name Jane Goodall. So you will learn more about her and in this text, and you also have a quote of the week from Jane Goodall. It is actually a very interesting quote, so I want you to take a close look. It has a profound meaning behind it. So I look forward to reading your posts, your comments on that quote of the week. But what I want to do right now, actually, rather than teach you a lesson on that text, is I want to back up a little bit to give you a little project. We wrapped up Macbeth, and of course we would have done some really cool things in class. I hate that we can't do that, but I did come up with, I think, a fun interactive way for you to review or to communicate to me your knowledge of Macbeth. So it's going to be a PowerPoint presentation. You will see the information in the slides that I've included on this assignment. You'll be able to see what you need to put together for it and when it is due. It won't be due for another couple of weeks. It's only 14 slides. And it's something really interesting, I think. It's called the Mackie Awards. So you will see that over here. And the Mackie Awards is you're creating a PowerPoint presentation about a fictitious, made up award ceremony, kind of like the Oscars or the Academy Awards. These are called the Mackie Awards. Mackie being short for Macbeth, of course. And so what it is you're creating categories for this fictitious award show. This PowerPoint will communicate to me what your categories are. So you're gonna have 4 categories in your fictitious awards. You wanna use words like best, worst, graded, least, things like that. Those kinds of words is what you wanna use to create these awards. So I even gave you an example in the presentation, the PDF that you have in here. And my example was best soliloquy, because of course Macbeth made the soliloquy famous. And so you would have a slide that introduces the category best soliloquy. Then you would have a slide with 3 persons who are nominated. The nominees are, and the 3 characters from Macbeth that are nominated for having the best soliloquy. And then the last slide for that category would give you the winner, and it would say the winner is Lady Macbeth. And then you would have a reasoning. You would have an excerpt maybe from the soliloquy or with her powerful speeches, or she had 3 moments when, etc. And you would explain why Lady Macbeth wins the category, wins the Mackie for best soliloquy. And so you'll do that for 4 categories that you come up with, and each category will have 3 slides. Then of course you'll have a cover slide, and you will have an ending credit slide. The ending credit slide is where you'll put your name, Miss Peña's class, and the date. And so that is all the information for this great PowerPoint. All that information is in the PDF along with the due date. So I think that's going to be a lot of fun. You'll get to use it, each slide in the slideshow will need to have some type of graphic, so you get to be creative. And the PowerPoint is super intuitive, so it'll help you design things and everything, and you can just do a great job. And meanwhile, you're showing me some information about what you know about these characters, character arches. You could think about that as a category. Best villain, cruelest villain, whatever, something like that. Most faithful, best fight scene. I mean, you could think of all kinds of things for the categories. So have fun with that. And of course, I'm always available for questions as you move along. So I hope you enjoy that project. Remember, it's an unprecedented time in our history. And so we're just working together, and I want you to know that I'm always here for you. Some of you have already reached out to me, and I'm constantly giving you, information, answering your questions, extending deadlines, etc. If you look in the grade book right now and you see a Z or a 0, get the work to me. I am accepting all work. I want you to do very well, and I want to be as helpful as possible in this process because I know it's not easy. I wish we were in the classroom together. We have to stay safe, so I want to make sure that your grades, you end the school year with a bang, okay? So go ahead and reach me through Remind or reach me through email if you have any questions or need to turn in something. Go ahead and turn that in. For now, the progress reports will be set on Thursday, but again, anything that you need to make up, I will accept it, so please send me that information. Okay, I love you guys. I miss you guys. I miss you guys so much. Bye-bye.